Hey guys, hope you all are doing well. Do you recognize this? Karela is not everybody's favorite, but I'll teach you how to make this stuffed bitter gourd, which is really tasty, I promise you. Before, even I used to hate him a lot, but now I like him a lot. I in fact buy a lot of bitter gourd to make this recipe. So even you watch this recipe and try it at least once at home, and if you like it, then go on making it because it's very healthy for diabetic people. So I normally bring all the recipes which I myself like to eat so that even y'all can enjoy it, y'all can make it in your own kitchen. So watch this recipe till the end and I hope you enjoy it. As you can see here in the algorithm, many people have been watching me but have not subscribed to me, so please subscribe immediately. Hello guys, so I have started making my stuffed bitter gourd. So here we have our bitter gourd or Karela. So I have slit open this. I have removed all the skin of the bitter gourd and I have removed all the seeds too, and I have cleaned it completely. So after doing that, you can just wash it up properly. So this makes it less bitter actually when you do this. And now I'll just sprinkle some red chili powder into this, some turmeric into this or haldi, and sprinkle some salt into this. So the salt will make this less bitter and remove all the bitterness of this. So this you have to do it a little ahead of time so that the bitterness goes away. This is what makes it very tasty. Later on when you'll eat it, you'll see that it's not at all bitter. You should rub all these masalas into the bitter gourd properly inside too, like this. But don't put too much salt also because it will become too much salty then. So don't do that. So just rub it like this completely on all the bitter gourd. So if you do all the preparation beforehand, what will happen is you will save time, and even the most complex of recipes which is even lengthy, like this recipe which seems to be very lengthy, but it will take no time for you to actually cook it, because in a jiffy you can make everything when all the preparation is done beforehand. So all this preparation has taken me around 15 minutes, and in 15 minutes I did everything, and now the cooking time will take another 15 minutes. So in half an hour your entire dish is complete and you will be eating an exotic dish. And yes, bitter gourd is really good for your health, so you should not avoid eating it. Instead you should make it more tasty and eat it. So the bitter gourd is getting marinated properly in this now. We'll start making the preparation for the potato filling for the bitter gourd. So let's do that now. So in 10-15 minutes the potatoes boil. I had kept these potatoes for boiling when I was skinning these bitter gourds. So parallelly both the work is done and it becomes easier and much faster. So you should do that to save time. So look at this, I have mashed all the potatoes. Now to this I will add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. I'll add 1 teaspoon of cumin seed powder, half a teaspoon of coriander seed powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of mango powder or amchur powder. Then to this I'll add some coriander leaves. So coriander leaves taste really well in this. If you add more, it will taste even more better. So you can add more if you want to. And here I have a green chili over here. This green chili is not very hot, so you can actually use this kind of light green chilies because it tastes very good. It tastes really fresh, but it's not very spicy, so it will not be hard on your tongue. So that's why you can use this one, and normally I use this a lot. I even have those dark green ones too, but I use it for certain dishes only. But for flavoring of chilies I use this light green one, so you can do this. So I am adding 2 big light green chilies over here, and now I'll just mix everything up. So our filling is all mixed together and it is ready. So very quickly we'll put it into these marinated bitter gourds. We'll just stuff it inside like this. Stuff it completely, put a lot of potatoes into it. Now hold it tight like this. So you have to tie this, make it intact with a thread like this. You can chop these threads off after it is fried. You don't have to put a knot or anything. Later on you have to just chop it off, so you can do that. So I'll fill all of the bitter goods in the same way and tie them with this thread so that the filling doesn't come out. So take a look guys, all our bitter gourd are ready with the fillings inside their tummies, and we have tied all of them. So the next step is we have to fry it now. So let's do that. So we have kept a big pan over here. So always take a pan with a lid so that it becomes easier for you to cook it. You have to cover it and cook it. So let's add around 3 tablespoons of oil. Put a lot of oil for frying. And let us one by one assemble our bitter goods into it. So let it fry on all the sides. Cover it and fry it so that it fries very fast. So even your time is important, right? So you should always see to it that your cooking is done on a lesser time and you get time for other things too in your life. So you should make exotic food, but the cooking time should be reduced. So you should find ways to do that. So that's what I'm showing. So it will take only 5 minutes for this entire thing to fry. So let's do that now. So look at this, our bitter gourd has all fried up, and now we'll remove it onto another plate. It should fry up all like this completely. And now around 80% of the cooking also has been done. You just have to put the final masalas so that there is a little gravy along with this. So I have removed it on a paper towel so that all the excess oil gets drained out. Now in the same oil we will make the masalas too. So we will not waste this oil, okay? So we will put some more oil into this. Around 2 teaspoons of oil I have put now. So into this oil I'll add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and I'll mix it properly in the oil. Let the ginger garlic fry. Let the ginger garlic fry really well in the oil. It gives a very good aroma. Now this is 1 big onion which I had chopped in very small pieces like this. So I'll add all of this in. And let's fry this till it becomes translucent. Now take a look, our onions have become completely translucent. It should not become brown in color. So I have already made puree of 2 medium-sized tomatoes. So we can put this into our translucent onions. Let's fry this well for around 1 minute. Now to this we'll add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. So this depends on how much spicy you want to eat. You can add more if you feel like eating more spicy. I have 1 teaspoon of cumin seed powder, 1 teaspoon of mango powder or amchur powder, and here is 1 teaspoon of coriander seed powder. Now we'll add some turmeric into this, 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Now salt to taste. I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of salt over here, and we'll fry all of this together. We'll mix all of this together. Now I'll add 1 glass of water into this, 1 small glass that is. We'll just let this come to a boil, and immediately we'll add our fried bitter gourd into this. So in less than 1 minute it will come to a boil if we cover it like this. So look at this, it started boiling. So what we'll do is very quickly we'll add all our fried bitter gourd into this and let it cook in the masala for half a minute, because the bitter gourd is already cooked and we don't need to do any more cooking. So while frying itself it gets cooked. So let's cover it and let us cook it for half a minute so that all the gravy gets soaked into the bitter. So take a look guys, our stuffed bitter gourd is completely ready, and believe me, it tastes really amazing. And if it wouldn't have tasted this amazing, I wouldn't have shown you the recipe. In fact, I wouldn't have eaten it myself. So I am showing this to you because I love this so much. I really discovered that it's such an amazing dish. So since we should be eating all these dishes in our regular life, why not make it tasty and eat it like this? So see, I have taken some steamed rice and some dal, and along with it I'm eating stuffed bitter gourd with this amazing masala, and it tastes superb. So you should try this today itself, and please let me know whether you liked it or not. Enjoy eating. Bye bye. So after my lunch, I am having this amazing mango ice cream from Cream Chills, and this is so amazing. I love this. So guys, always give yourself a treat and make your life happy.
Hey, hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up quickly. Subscribe to my channel and stay connected. Share with your family and friends. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Until next time, keep it simple, Simply City.